Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a freestanding balloon art. I went to Walmart to purchase 2 packs of these 72 count multicolored balloons. So that's what I'll be working with today. I also have my good old balloon pump that I purchased from Amazon. Check out my video. And to the left of me, I have a cardboard box that I created. I got this idea from YouTube. I basically found some things around the house to trace circles out of, to basically keep my balloons the same size and looking consistent. I marked some markings of 9.5 inch, 4 inch. Also have this 10.5 inch side. Let's take a closer look at that. All right, let's get it. Oh, by the way, ask me about balloons on the front, balloons at Tiffany's on the back. Shout out to my cousin Darius. You can follow him on Instagram at pfclothing25. Let's go. So here I'm using my sizing box and I'm just going to insert the balloon into the hole, release air until it easily goes in and out of that hole. Okay, so now we have all the balloons blown up. I took a pair of each color and we're basically going to attach the middle parts together. Lay that thing down and twist each side so that it's locked. And there you go. Hold on, wait a minute. Let's try this again. Boom. That's what it should look like. So we're just going to repeat this step, but we are going to match the colors because I'm going to be twisting this column. So here I am trying to figure it out. Okay, you got it? Yep. Okay. So it's kind of like crisscross. And this is what it should look like when you lay the colors down. And once you repeat this step, your colors will begin twisting as you build your column. So let's take this off and I'm going to grab some balloon ribbon. Let's take a closer look at that. And we're just going to pull this apart. And we need this string so that we can tie the balloons together as I go. So I'm going to make it long enough so that I can keep going without having to stop. And I didn't have any scissors, so yikes, using my mouth. Ew. Still COVID out here in these streets. But anyway, here we go. I'm going under and I'm going to pull the string up so that I can tie a knot on the base of the balloon. You want to make sure that it's secure so that your balloons can stay attached together. And once you have it knotted, it should be able to pull just like this so that you continue to stack. So we're going to take the next quad, place it back down, and we are going to do a figure 8 and just loop the string across. and across and across until you do it around each balloon to make sure that it's secure. I kind of had to learn my rhythm as I was going. And yeah, here we go. Just repeat those steps. So here I grabbed 2 balloons. I filled them with water to act as weights to hold the columns down. I tried blowing it up to see if... Just trying to learn my sizes, and that was a little too big. So we're going to bring it back down a little bit. It didn't feel heavy enough for me, but I said, let's just try it. So basically you take each individual balloon, tie a knot around each one, and we're going to use these as weights. Girl, you threw that balloon like it want no water in it. Okay, so I went to the very first set of balloons, and I'm just going to go through the middle and attach it. Got that one, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And your girl got that thing standing up. I know it's looking all busted and crusted and leaning and all that, but the whole concept was to get this balloon art standing by itself. And I did that thing. Shout out to Balloons at Tiffany's. You did your thing, girl.